Welcome back to another video. This is part 3 on the Holden. You might notice that this actually has wheels on it now. The reason why it didn't have any wheels is because we actually got a parts car for this car. That's why there was no wheels on this at the time. So I did a small video on restoring the headlights. That was about only 19 minutes. But we finally got the car here. You might be able to see it in the back over there. We've got all the parts that we need for this car. And this video today is going to be about restoring that window regulator at the back, and because right now it's a bit mucked up and we didn't even have a window regulator to begin with. It's just had a piece of wood there as a temporary fix, but now we're going to actually properly fix it. So we'll jump back into it and get that all fixed up. Alright, so with this door trim over here, which you could have seen in the first part of the video, it was hanging down. See, it's all like buggered here. That should just pop off. And like I was saying about the wood being there, this is what we've done. Just a little dodgy job to keep that up. That's a damaged trim as well. It's all like broken along there. It was never like actually screwed in because you have screws on the side here, and there should be some around here. Yeah, there's a couple along there, but we'll pull that out and we'll put the regulator where it needs to go. The window regulator. That's all where it used to be riveted in, because it takes rivets. So yeah, pop that out and show you guys how it's all done. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Let's jump into it. Alright, so I've just gotten the wood completely out, which you guys just seen there. This is the window regulator. This is what I'll be putting in there instead of having that crappy old wood there. And a way better door trim. No cracks there at all. It's obviously not the best, just needs a clean and just a bit of a restore and it'll come out nice. So let's just get this in there. I've got all the parts here for it. New door handles, lock, and that little holder there as well. Like your coins and everything. Alright, let's put this in. I'll show you guys how it goes in first, and we'll just jump straight into it. Alright, we've just gotten the window regulator in. As you can see, I have to manipulate it, sort of like pushing this end part all the way to the back here, and this bottom part goes all the way to the speaker, and then the actual wind down part goes into this hole, sort of like do it in there like that. And then once that's in there, see that little hole there, that will line up right there. That's lined up with it, and then those rivets can go straight in. And then there's a little track here for the window. We're going to bring that window down so it lines up with the window regulator. So let's get that smashed out right now. Alright, we've just gotten it finished. We've got the window lined up with the track now. The way we've done it, we've had to wind it up so it goes up to the track and lines up perfectly, rather than having the window come all the way down to the track. It just makes it a lot easier. The reason we didn't film it is it was a big headache. I had to even get someone to help me do it. And I was just too fidgety, couldn't really film it, but I can explain to you how we've done it. So yeah, we've just done it like that, winded it all the way up through here, all the way up to the top where the track lines up, and pushed it into the track. And we've got it all lined up here. Got to sort of push it in a bit more so it lines up with these holes. And once these holes are all lined up, you want to get some rivets and punch them through here, here, and there's one down here as well, and that's all sorted. All right, let's jump into doing those rivets. All right, we've just gotten all these in. They're looking pretty good. Ignore all the grind marks that are there because my dad cut them out because he didn't think this thing was going to be on the road because he grabbed the regulator for his car, but doesn't really matter. But it took us a bit, got it done though, and it looks a lot more better now, and that's not moving at all. I'll show you guys what it looks like winding up. It looks a lot better now. It's going down, see that? It's going down, and then go on now. Yeah, well, there we go. And up it goes. Just like that. Works good as new now. Oh, we'll get this door trim back on. Make this thing look good again. As you can see here, I'm clipping that door trim straight onto the door, making sure it's secure before I start to screw it all in properly. Alright, we've just gotten the job finished. All on perfectly. Nothing's moving at all. Everything works. It's looking good. And look at this. Goes up, goes down. Working really well. It's come really nice. Alright, we've just gotten the job done. The window regulator's now in, all the door trim's on, and it looks really good. If you guys haven't noticed, we've got the canopy off. We're keeping that off completely now. I reckon it looks a lot better without it. This ute's coming up really nice. I can't wait to see it on the road. Those headlights from that last video, they've come up really nice. Needs another clean, because my first ever video on this was cleaning it. But I just want to thank you all for the support, and I can't wait to see what this car looks like in the future. And I hope that video has helped you guys how to do your own window regulator on a Holden. They're pretty, bit of a headache, but they're pretty simple as well. Oh well, thanks for watching, and catch you guys later.